Hello, welcome to Classic Mini NLA. This is a short video about this, which is a no longer available part. It's a seal that goes between the throttle body and the air filter on SPi minis. And that's the standard or aftermarket air filters. Basically, it's a paper gasket with a rubberized, I'm knocking the camera all over the place, but it's a rubberized piece here. And make sure that all the air goes through the air filter rather than the air gap between. It's a sensible thing, keeps your throttle body nice and clean. Anyway, that part number is PHN10011 and it's been no longer available for a couple of years now. Secondhand, these things, well, not secondhand, any new old stock like this one, they've been changing hands for like 30 quid, maybe more, in Japan even more. So anyway, but the wait is over. The clever people in Japan have decided they don't want to pay those sort of prices anymore. So they have created a new version. So here we go. This is now available. It's a very similar design, exactly the same shape. And it has a rubberized piece, a raised rubberized piece around the middle there, which is bonded to the paper and provides the seal. It isn't as big as the seal on the original, but I actually think it will do the job perfectly fine. Anyway, these are now available to buy from Classic Mini NLA. I think we're the first people to bring them in. And yeah, drop us a line if you're interested. Thank you very much.